Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to locate where your EA games are installed on your PC in simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the EA app on your PC and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, click on Library on the left hand side. Here you will see all the games you have installed through your app. Now find the game you want to locate. Click on the three dots of your game. A small menu will pop up. Click on View Properties. A window will open showing exact folder where the game is installed. Here you can see all the files, update and more. If you want to move the game to a different drive, it's best to use the Move Game option in the EA app instead of moving files manually. This ensures the app recognizes the game in its new location without any problem. And that's it. Just open the EA app, go to Library, click on the three dot and select Properties to find your installed game location. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.